Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another video on free courses and certifications from Udemy. From this you can get Udemy courses absolutely for free, and you also will get a certificate at the end if you complete the course successfully. Now let's see what are the courses that I have brought you today. The first course is machine learning, supervised learning and regression. You will learn how the models of machine learning. These are the important concepts in machine learning, and I'm giving you 1 day time for this course. You can enroll for this course within a day, and you can access this course for your lifetime. Just enroll now within 1 day, and thereafter you can access the course for your lifetime. So you can see the description of this video and the video length and content. There is about 5 hours long video and 3 articles, 1 day downloadable resource. As usual, you will have a certificate, a lifetime access. Make sure that you're downloading your certificate only on a browser. So that is about machine learning supervised learning course. Coming to this JavaScript course and PHP, it's a bootstrap, and you have 1 day time to enroll for this course. Thereafter, you can access this course for your lifetime. And there is about 6 hours long video demand and lifetime access as well as a certificate of completion for this course too. And the next course is how to create Android apps without coding advanced course. If you wanted to develop your own Android applications, you can get this course, and you have 2 days time to enroll for this course, and you can watch this course and can get this course completed as usual and whenever you like. So that is about this. There is about 3 hours long video demand, lifetime access, and mobile access as well as certificate of completion. So you students were asking for so many courses, right? I'm also searching for the courses that were mentioned in the previous video comments. Uh, I will try my level best to bring those courses. However, I'm bringing today. I have considered one comment on financial like marketing courses, etc. They were asking for these courses today, so I have brought those courses today, and that is about those courses. About this course now. This is about Unity 3D. You are going to learn how to develop a game using Unity 3D. So you have 2 days time left to enroll for this course, and thereafter you can access this course as you like. So coming to the financial courses that students are asking about. So in this course, you have 22 hours to left for this course. You are going to learn about ledgers and journals, etc. In this course, this is for commerce students. Commercial students can learn this course. As usual, you have 11.5 hours demand as well as 19 downloadable resources, certificate of completion, and access on mobile, etc. Another account course is financial accounting. On this course, you are going to learn how to adjust entries in the statements included in financial statements, etc. You have 22 hours left at this price. And the next course is this is also again financial accounting. You are going to learn from beginning to the advanced everything on this course. This is free for till 22 hours from now. Once you enroll this course, you can access this course as usual. And there are about 115 hours long video demand. So you are going to learn everything about financial accounting in this course, but make sure that you are enrolling for this course within 22 hours itself. And by the way, do not forget to share this video with your friends. I request ECE, CSE, and these financial accounting and commerce students to share this video with your friends, because sharing is caring. And the next course is Microsoft Excel. Someone asked for this course again, so I brought this course again. For civil students, I have already provided Autodesk course, but I think the time has might have expired. I will try to bring the another course very soon. So this is about this course. You have 18 hours left for this course. You can access this course and get it on. And the next course is front end development. Someone asked me for the front end development course on for me on Telegram, I guess. So I have brought this course. However, you have only 9 hours left at this price. If you are interested, you can learn this course. You have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc. You can learn a lot of things in this course. You will get a certificate of completion, etc. And so I'll be back with another video. By the way, I didn't tell you how you can sign up for it. If you are new to this course, do not forget to click on sign up. Else, if you are not new, click on login. Provide your account password. Will be redirecting you. This is how you are getting onto this account and providing your details. Thereafter, you can directly enroll now. So this course is free. I can enroll onto my account. front end development. Only 8 hours were left for this, so I'm clicking on this enroll now. As I got this course, let me enroll for some other courses. So no, I don't need this course. I don't need. So how you can get these courses, it means I will provide the link in the description box below to my website. There you can access the links of all these courses. So once you click on the links of these courses, it will be redirecting you to this Udemy page. Thereafter you need to see this free checkouts, etc. Then you will get this absolutely for free. Click on enroll now. If you click directly on Udemy, you will not going to get these courses for free. So this is one thing you need to remember. I have got this course as well. This is how to this is Android development. It will be helpful for me if I wanted to create apps, right? So I'm also enrolling for this course. So this is the simple way, and how you are going to enroll for all the courses, this is the same way. Also let me know in the comment section below anything other you want courses in the comment section. I will always there to answer your queries. I'm going to do this as well. So that's all for this video. I'll be back with another video very soon, guys.